and welcome to the Bishop State Tech Tip Tuesday in 2 minutes with your host, Robert McWilliams. Today, we're going to talk about how to freeze cells in Excel. I'm sure you've had an Excel document where you have your headings at the top, and as you begin to scroll down, you notice that your heading is gone. Or perhaps you're working, in this case, institution, perhaps you're working with an Excel document that contains student names or other data or criteria that when you scroll over, you lose that first column. So there's a quick and easy way to freeze either your row or your column. So inside of your Excel, and I'm working in Excel 2016, but this is true in most versions, if not all versions of Excel. If you click on View and then go to freeze, let's just say top row. Now if you notice that when we scroll down, our headings of institution, major, state, etc. stays the same. It's very handy if you're working with a very large Excel document, such as the one you see. I'm going to go ahead and unfreeze that. And for example, if you were had a very large Excel document where you had a lot of scrolling over, you could go again to your View tab, freeze first column, and so now our institution column is frozen in essence. So as we scroll over, you see that our institution stays static while our other stuff is moving over. So this is a quick and easy way to freeze your pane. So remember, you can go to View inside your Excel document, go to freeze either top row or first column. And in essence, that is our tech tip for this week. Thank you so much for watching.